this page. So here the question says that the ages of some students were recorded as 13, 11, 11, 12, 13. Find the A median age, B mean age, C mean deviation of their ages correct to the nearest whole number. So here to find the median age here for data or set of numbers which are extremely small, you can easily figure out the mean age. That is, if the numbers are arranged in order, that is either ascending or descending order. But for the purpose of getting the concept of finding the median of a set of numbers which may be relatively larger than this, it's saying that the median age by the median should be equal to n divided by 2. That is where our n is the number of the number of items under consideration, here the number of ages, and so our number of ages, which is the n, is equal to, if we count the number of ages, we are dealing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so because the number of ages are odd in number, to get the median age with this concept, we need to add 1 to the 5. That is, if the number of items we are under consideration, they are odd or is odd, then add 1 to it. And so add 1 to the 5 number of ages will give us 6. So substituting the number of ages or 6 to this, we're going to have our median. We're going to have our median to be equal to 6 divided by 2. The 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. That means it will give us 3. Let me remove this for now. 3. The 3 here means the median age, if you arrange the set of numbers, the median age will be located at the third item, or the third item, arranging the set of numbers in order will be the third position, the age at the third position. And so we arrange the numbers in order, either ascending or descending. So ascending will be 11, 11, 12, 13, and 13. So count from left to right or right to left, either way. So 1, 2, 3. So third position is 12, and so therefore our median age is 12. So the median age of this set of ages of the students under consideration here is 12. Then B, mean age. The mean age is equal to, or should be equal to, sum of the ages, the ages of the student divided by the number of students, or the number of ages. And so continuing here, this will imply our mean age will be equal to, this implies our mean age, sum of ages. So we add all the ages together. We have 11 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 13 divided by the number of ages, which are 5. Number of ages, the n here stands for number of ages. And so continuing, if we add this today, we're going to have 22, 33, then we have 34, we have 47, and 60. So that will be 60 divided by 5. So 60 divided by 5 will give us what? 12. And so therefore, the mean age of this set of ages is 12. Then C, the mean deviation. The mean deviation is the sum of the absolute of the deviation of the ages from the mean divided by n, divided by the number of ages. Where this our d, the d is deviation of the individual ages from the mean. The s bar here is the mean, and the n is the number of students. Number of ages. to get this, we can simply create a small table. We can get a small table. So just get a small table, ages, which is the x. Then we have the deviation, which is x minus x bar. That is subtracting the individual ages from subtracting the mean from the individual ages. Then the absolute of the deviation. Absolute of the deviation means taking all the values of the deviation to be positive. And so here the ages, we have 11, 11, 12, 13, 13. This is the ages. Now subtracting the mean from the ages, individual ages. So 11 minus 12 will give us minus 1. This will be minus 1. This will be 0. This will be 1. This will also be 1. That is 13 minus 12, 1, 13 minus 12, 1. So we get our division by subtracting the ages, the mean from the ages. And this gives us what we have here. Then there's absolute. Absolute means taking the positive values of the deviation, meaning the negative one here will be 1, then this one also be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Really, this and this are 1. They are positive, so this will also be positive. Then we come and find the sum of the absolute of the deviation. So from here, then we come and find sum of the absolute of the deviation. So we add the values here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So sum of the absolute of the deviation is 4. Then this implies our mean deviation. Let's abbreviate this. Mean deviation will be equal to sum of the absolute of the deviation, 4, divided by the number of ages, which is 5, or number of students whose ages are under consideration, 5. So this will be equal to 4 divided by 5 will give us 0.8. 4 divided by 0.8. But the question says that we should find the mean deviation of the ages correct to the nearest whole number. So to the nearest whole number, this number is near to 1. And so this will be 1. That is to the nearest whole number. So the mean deviation of the ages to the nearest whole number is 1. Thank you for your time. Subscribe and share.